I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. The host is powered, connected, and you have an account. Next, enable remote desktop on the host or install the matching client on your device so protocols align. Once enabled, note the host's IP address or DNS name and confirm the firewall rule for port 3389. If you're off-site, make sure a VPN or port forwarding is in place. These steps unlock the connection pathway you'll use immediately. You now launch the remote desktop client and enter the host IP or hostname, then select the account you'll use. Choose display settings and resolution to balance clarity and bandwidth. Lower resolution if lag appears. Make sure to enable local resources you need: clipboard, drive mapping, audio, printers, so files transfer smoothly. Also confirm network-level authentication and encryption are active to protect credentials and session data. This prevents man-in-the-middle issues while maintaining a secure, responsive remote desktop. You finish by testing functionality. Open an app, copy a file, and monitor latency to ensure responsiveness. If you're blocked, verify credentials, that the host is awake, and that firewall or VPN settings permit your traffic. Make sure the correct user is allowed for remote access and check that multiple sessions aren't restricted. If problems persist, restart the remote desktop service on the host and try an alternate client. This often resolves session negotiation or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.